I take no more shit from you. One more strike, you out. I am sorry, we don't speak English.
Oh! I was not going there. That's pretty stiff.
You thought I was dead? You thought I was dead? Crazy Caucasian actor. Today we are on the baseball field playing the American sport baseball. Be very good. Why don't we get to it? Come on. So you have a selection of baseball bats. You got the Easton, very good, yes. My favorite one, wood, yes. Look at that. Very nice. You got these ones. This is a softball bat. It's dented. We can't use that. This one base, not a wood one, cracked. And this one very shitty. Look at the handle. We're not going to use that one. So we got a selection of baseballs. We got a softball. We got the baseball batting gloves. Sunscreen, but it is very cold right now here in Caucasia. We don't need to use this. So we're using the wood baseball bat, and we are going to hit fence dingers today. So why don't we get started?
Hey, cameraman, get the fuck, start pitching. This guy fucking sucks.
You know, why don't we change bats real quick? See, you know, we got this one, so we might as well use it for a few hits, you know?
Why is this guy back on the mound? Never.
Oh, no fucking way.
And that's how you get good contact. You want to get the ball, hit the ball right here on the bat. It's very important to you get hit the big balls. You want to get the big shots. You know, we're off to a rough start right now. I know that, but we're gonna start hitting. We're gonna start hitting them now. Don't worry. Let's go.
Where did you hit that? You just broke my car window. Who hit that?
What are you
Was it
saying?
you? No. Who was it? Was it you?
What are you saying?
You broke my car
We're
window
making
right there.
video here.
You broke my car window. You're gonna pay for it. Oh.
Give it the body. Shit. Now back to baseball. How was that for a video? Today, we learned how to hit fat dingers. We hit a few of them. Yeah, nothing else happened, I guess. But thank you for watching today's video, and remember to stay safe, wear your eye protection, and I'll see you in the next one.